In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal button to card.so using only a link. This is a quick no-code method that works on any card plan, including the free one. You don't need a pro subscription and you don't need to touch HTML. We're simply going to use a paypal.me link and a standard card button so you can collect donations, tips, or simple payments in just a few clicks. First, you'll need your PayPal link. PayPal calls this a paypal.me link and it looks like PayPal ME your name. If you've already set one up, great. Copy that address so it's ready to paste. If you haven't created it yet, sign into PayPal and set up your paypal.me username. Keep it short and memorable so visitors feel confident they're in the right place. This link points people directly to your PayPal profile where they can complete the payment securely. Now head over to your card site and open it in the editor. We're going to add a button that points straight to that PayPal link. Click the plus icon and choose button. On the right hand side, look for the link options and select URL. Paste your paypal.me link into the field. That's the entire connection, no code required. Card will use that URL to send visitors to PayPal when they click the button. Let's make the button look and feel at home on your page. Update the labels so it matches your purpose. Something clear like donate, buy now, or support me works well. Then adjust the style to fit your design. In Card, you can change the fill or outline style, tweak the color to match your brand, and choose a size that stands out without overwhelming the layout. Consider contrast for accessibility. A button that's easy to see is more likely to be clicked. If you want, add an icon to make the action clearer. A simple heart for donations or a cart for purchases can help visitors understand the intent at a glance. Keep the wording friendly and specific and make sure the button is easy to find on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with how it looks, publish your site. After it goes live, visit the page and click the button to test the link. Make sure it takes you to your paypal.me profile and that everything displays correctly. It's also a good idea to check on your phone to confirm the experience feels smooth and trustworthy. That's it. Your card site now has a PayPal button using only a link, ready to accept support in minutes.